Last night I cleaned up and then I grabbed some insulation and insulated. And this morning also found some boards, and then this morning I ripped some boards. I took some measurements last night too. Cut them this morning and got some nails here. Don't need anything too special for nailing these on. These are basically filler spots. So I'm going to go ahead and start nailing them in. I'm going to have to do some shimming up there where it was rotted and over here. But I'm going to start with the easy part first. Start getting this in place, and then after I get them all nailed in, then I can get a measurement for the next layer. And then there will be a layer after that too. Okay, so let's get nailing them in. And this is already looking better, and it'll look even better after I get nailing them in. I have to do some custom cutting up there, you know, to go around different areas. And actually I see a spot I need to take out that Homoso board. It's like a pressed fiber board, so must be they put that on before they did the siding. This part was an add-on. Maybe I should explain that. The original carriage house right here, this is added on. This was a double door back here for the carriages to go through, or this way, one way or another, to go in. And they took that out, put the stairs in, and put the second floor on, because originally it was just a barn and you would have had a loft up there, I guess, for hay. So they turned it into a 2 apartments by enclosing the stairway, making a porch down here, and then this is concreted here, and they did a small cellar, which is why we're digging out the big dig, I'm calling it. So I have been getting some ideas here for the roof. If I decide to execute them, we'll go over that, but for right now, let's get this back. So they did Homoso on the add-ins, but that is the original siding. I'm quite sure of that. Well, the original of siding, I don't know. We have a really old picture, and it does show this siding, so I'm pretty sure this was on for a long time. And the old picture we have shows a big cupola up there, which that was taken off. Okay, let's get putting the boards on.